Alright, so the moment everyone has been waiting for, really excited for this, we now have the brand new Lifestyle Campers XKT in the showroom to look at. Apologies in advance with the microphone, forgot my microphones at home. It's a bit of noise, so apologies if I'm yelling a bit. I'm just trying to make sure everyone hears everything, but we'll also be at the Camden show this weekend. So the 20th and 21st of March, we'll be at the Camden show with this. So it'll be a great day to come out with the family, spend a bit of time, you know, go and look at the animals and supporting some local businesses and just having a chat. It's not even a caravan show, it's just literally there to have a chat. So if you want to come and see us, we'll be there as well. Off-grid Outfitters being us, there's a dealership, and we'll see you there. Yeah, so we'll have this for a week or two. So as of today, uploading the video, we are going to have it for a week or two. So if you want to come and have a look at it, email us at sales@offgridoutfitters.com.au. We'll be at our Sydney shop. But let's get hooked right into it. Very excited, as everyone would be. Starting up the front, we've got the lovely big box here. So this box has heaps of storage, but you'll notice there's a significant amount of space between the box and the D35 hitch. So if you imagine your car's here with a rear tailgate, it is so much more space. There's so much more space here to be able to open up the tailgate. Like usual, we have the D35 hitch, the trailer breakaway system, and the 7-pin flat and the Anderson plug. We've got the park brake here. There's two doors here that open up, and in here we've got the ability to house a 4.5 kilo gas bottle. We've got the diesel tank here for your diesel heater or hot water system, and now we've got an electric jack. So electric jack is standard on the XKTs. On top, you'll notice there's a massive storage platform. So if you want to, you know, put some firewood or jerry cans, or you know, even just some swags and that, there's a massive amount. Like I literally could sleep on top of this. That's how much space there is. When we move to the left side here, I've got a storage area here. You know, for your pole carriers and that, all down the back there. There's space there. You could probably fit a small 1500 watt generator there as well. So you move to the other side of the storage box. This is where your Weber slide is housed. So pull that right out, and a massive amount of space. Like we can, yeah, heaps of space. You'll see here as well, we've got the Cruise Master suspension, so that's where we air up and down. So that's nice there too, and that just all tucks away nicely in there and closes up. Now to the, yeah, this is just phenomenal. This kitchen setup, I've never ever seen anything like it. We've got the upright 72 litre fridge, and that's got a freezer compartment as well on top. So there's a freezer compartment there. That door is flippable, so we can actually change it around to be able to open up from this side as well. We've got a massive storage void at the top here as well. Here as well. So for your spices, milks, long life milks, pasta containers, everything in there. We've got a little roller shutter here as well. Like a bread box, put your breads, your chips, your dry storage, all in there. And then we've got two massive drawers here. And then we can also have the remote to change the lighting as well to a cooler white light. We can go back to an orange light as well. We've got the little cutlery drawer down there too. And then you'll see on each drawer as well, we've got LED strip lights in the doors as well. So that's a nice touch. When it's dark at night, you'll have heaps of lighting here. As usual, all Lifestyle Campers are powered by the Victron system. So standard in the XKT, you've got 600 lithium with 1320 watts of solar on the roof. That 1320 watts is paired up with a 70 amp MPPT charger, and then we've also got a 30 amp DC to DC or 50 amp DC to DC charger on board as well. And then here you just got some switches for your dust suppression, your water pumps, and then obviously your LED lights for the kitchen area there. Moving along to the other side, we've got heaps of storage above here as well, 4 hatches, beer coasters, fire lighters, camping gear, mosquito coils, you name it. So much storage. And then we've got the outdoor sink. It's a nice deep sink. and this is new on the XKTs, we've got a full-on articulating nozzle. Here's obviously for your main water, and then we've also got a little knob here for your drinking water. So on the XKTs, we have heaps of water storage, so 320 litres. 320 litres of water storage. So 40 litres of that is a dedicated drinking water tank, and then 280 litres of that is just for general usage. And then we've also got an 80 litre drinking water tank. The XKTs also now come with a full house filtration system. So not like your standard inline filters, it's got proper water filters for your tank. So which actually, you know what, while I'm out here talking about it, I'll show you it inside here. Can't see it yet in here, but you'll see under here we've got a full proper water filtration system. So really nice addition to the XKTs. We've also got the dual burner induction cooktop here. So your Dometic dual burner induction cooktop. With the power systems on these now, running induction cooking is just it's a no-brainer. You've still got the ability to gas cook on the front with a Weber, but induction cooking is so much more cost-effective. Well, not cost-effective, but when you're camping, it's windy, you don't have to stress about the flame going out. We've also got really nice canvas to attach things, you know, towel holders, bin liners. You can add little spice racks. So there's little bits and pieces that you could add onto this. I forgot to go back over this side as well. We've got an antenna outlet. We've got 240-volt supply, and then we've also got the little 12-volt USB and cigarette socket. All these as well, you can turn them off so they don't annoy you at night time. Now we've got the bracket for the TV as well. So all 240-volt outlets in the van are also wired to the inverter. So whatever you plug in, when you turn the inverter on, everything's powered off. The doors, like every typical lifestyle Aussie Traveller door with the screen and everything. You can hook that on, and it also separates, so you can have a security screen, allow some nice airflow through the van. On the back, really nice updates. It's got the rear spoiler on it. Even though it looks cosmetic, there is a function to that as well. We can fit a bigger solar panel, so we've got, like I said, 3 440 watt solar panels making up to 1320 watts of solar. Then we've got the spare wheel, and then we've got the provision to put a double jerry can holder, a firewood box, or another spare wheel. This is a new concept that Lifestyle have brought out. This is an optional extra, so this is not standard, but this allows you to have access to the shower area from the driver's side. So just had a chat to a customer of mine who came and looked at this. They do a lot of weekends away skiing, or even fishing. And if you've got your wetsuits from skiing, that you can just come in here, take your wetsuits off, shower off. You don't have to walk through the van and dirty the van. So it's really nice. And then you've got the door as well that goes through to the toilet area. So as you see there's the composting toilet, the OGO composting toilet, standard in the XKTs. And then we've got little modular systems for your shower, your shower gels, your soaps and stuff, and then a shower head with a little holding rack there for your soap bars and that. And you've also got a nice little window, fly screen, or full block out, and you can open that up as well. You see here we've got the dust suppression system. So the dust suppression system there, it's standard in the XKTs and the whole Lifestyle range. Dust suppression systems with a panel filter are standard. We've got the outdoor shower here. So we've got the outdoor shower here as well. And we've got filler points for your tanks. So 2 would be for your general usage water, then 1 would be for your dedicated drinking water tank. And we've also got the mains here, so if you are at a caravan park and you don't want to fill the tanks up, you completely bypass all those tanks and plug into mains. On the driver's side, we've got this massive storage area. Literally someone could sleep in here. That's how much there is in here. We've got 240 volt in here. All your Victron inverter charges and everything are in that panel there. And then the compressor and circuit breaker are all there. You can option in a washing machine as well, and that will go into this area here. But yeah, heaps of storage in this compartment. And that all tucks nice away. and closes up nicely. I know I've already spoken about it, but with the cruise, we've got the Cruise Master system on this. That's the ATX suspension, so tandem axle, ATX suspension with the M46 shocks and remote res shocks as well in that. So top of the line suspension on these vans standard. Alright, so stepping in the van, this is massive amounts of space in here. So this one specifically is the dinette version. So the dinette version has that little bench on the side here, so the dinette couch, and then we've got and then the lounge will be, this gets removed and the whole bench extends right to the wall here. And then we've got still the full queen size bed. Now, unlike the E4 XK, the single axle, this doesn't have a semi walk around bed. So it is, you've got to hop up into the bed, but it is slightly lower as well. So it's not that hard to help into the bed, but we've got a massive bench here. Yeah, heaps of bench prep space, nice big deep sink. And then like the tap on the outside, we've got the mains, and then we've got the little knob here for just the drinking water. Heaps of overhead cupboards as well. So overhead cupboards all around. Yeah, storage in here is insane, the amount of storage. Then we've got a little table here that does drop down, telescopic table, and that's a lagging style. So not lagging style, but that does swivel around as well. And then we've also got, on this side, all storage above there as well. So heaps of storage up there as well. And then on the beds, we have 3 storage hatches all along here. And then we've also got radiant lights on both sides with 2 40 volt, 12 volt USBs, C's and A's. So heaps of charging options for your phones in that. Also got the TV bracket here as well. So the bracket's all included. And then you've got the 240 volt, 12 volt and USB, the antenna as well. We've got a massive storage space here for a lot of our customers do like to do the trips down to the snowies over the winter period, so you can put all ski jackets, ski jackets, all your big bulky puffer jackets in there. Got a little pocket there to put your iPads, magazines and all that in there. And then full height, we've got drawers as well here. So drawers, really deep drawers too. So yeah, I haven't seen a lifestyle camper with this much storage before, so it's nice. And they're all also soft close as well. And we've also got the fire extinguisher. You can see as well we've got all the LED strip lights underneath the bench and above here as well. Aircon standard, 2 fans standard. And I forgot to show you underneath the bed here, massive amounts of big massive drawers under there as well. Here as well, another set of big drawers. And then we get to the fridge area. So we've got a Dometic upright fridge, so fridge freezer, 202 litre. The beauty about these new fridges is you can open them on both sides. So no matter if you're inside or outside, you can open up from either end. We've also got the microwave here as well, so that's included as well, and a bit of storage above as well. The big thing with this as well is because we've gone that foot longer, we can also incorporate the shower and toilet. So we've got a separate shower and toilet. We come through, we've got the composting toilet down here, and then we've got the hooks to hang up towels and that, and then we can step through into the shower area in here as well. So it's like for someone who's pretty tall, as I always say, and I feel like I'm a broken record, I fit in here well. If I need to have a shower and go to the toilet, there's heaps of space in here to accommodate for a big person. Everything is included in this. This is for value for money, starting price around $119,000 with the Cruise Master 8.6 suspension, aircon, diesel heating, diesel hot water, 320 litres of water storage, fans, yeah, like there's so much included in these. Such a great price as well. Really great inclusions, great quality. If you're interested to come and have a look at it, let us know. As I said, it will only be here for a week or two. So please let us know. DM us at Off Grid Outfitters, sales at Off Grid Outfitters, call us, you name it, you know where to reach us, and we'll be more than happy to help. Anyways guys, we'll see you then. Take care.